Finland currently has high demand for workers in areas like IT, engineering, healthcare, and teaching. Today, I'm going to show you how to get a job in Finland, how to get a work visa, and how to move to Finland legally. So if today's video excites you, please watch to the end and stick with me. It's going to be a practical guide on how to secure a work opportunity in Finland. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and as you do, God bless. Some of you may be wondering, why Finland? Why should I move to Finland? Finland is not an English-speaking country, so what does it stand to offer me? What can it offer me? What do I stand to benefit? Should I tell you that Finland is actually a country that has a very good high quality of life, work-life balance, competitive salary, and opportunities for international workers? Finland indeed is hiring international workers, and there's pathway. You must have heard so many persons say, no, there's nothing in Finland, but I just said that is not true. That is not 100%, as Finland is actively seeking international talent. As a matter of fact, the government will encourage the Finnish employers to attract international talent. Now, the sectors in demand, like I've mentioned before, IT, healthcare, engineering, and so on. Now, if you're looking for jobs such as maybe bartender job, cleaning job, tailoring job, and you don't get a job, you come and say, oh, they don't sponsor, or you guys are just making up videos. Now, please note, you've heard that this is the sector that they need. So if you hear that healthcare is what they need, engineering is what they need, IT is what they need, teachers is what they need, you go on to go and apply for other job sectors. How do you stand a chance to get a job? Ask yourself that question. If you have the right skill in this occupation already mentioned, you can accelerate your move into Finland using its working visa. What are the visa type? The Finnish government usually issue what we call the D-type visa. D-type visa is mostly common in the European unions. They issue D-type visa, which stands for the work visa. So to work in Finland, you mostly need to get a job offer. A job offer is what qualifies you to get a work permit into Finland. And usually when you get the work permit, you get your D-type visa, you could apply for your permanent residency in short time wise in Finland. So this is an employment-based tied pathway into Finland. Usually when you get your working visa, it takes about a few months to a year to get the permanent residency, and the processing time is quite short. That is, if your occupation falls under what has just been mentioned, the processing time could be very fast for you to move in, provided you get a job offer. You see the way I keep moving you back to job offer, job offer, job offer, because it is very essential, and I wouldn't sugarcoat, or neither would I lie. And even better, if you get a university degree, let's say you've got a university degree from your hometown, you could even qualify for what we call the EU Blue Card. EU Blue Card also gives you access to other European unions, European countries out there for you to explore. So you're moving into Finland while still having access to other European Union, provided you have a university degree. So how do you find a job in Finland? How do you get a job in Finland? I like to use the Eros portal. The Eros portal updates jobs around the European Union, just like countries like Germany, countries like Portugal, Luxembourg, and the rest. But our focus for today is that for Finland. So I like to use the Eros portal to do my job application. You can use other job boards like Monster, Okoti.fi. You can also use the government-owned website, which is called the TE Services. Please ensure you always check the Finnish immigration portal for further details on how to get a job offer and how to get a working permit into the country. Like I would always say, I am not an immigration officer, and I always like to give this disclaimer so people would not mistake me from who I'm not. What I basically do, I'm a career coach, I'm an HRO and recruiter, and I focus on sponsored job. That is my focus, and I like to come on here, share opportunities that may help one or two person, and my videos have helped hundreds of persons, if not thousands, to land a job offer overseas. Now, these are the job board I would recommend. I will leave some of the link in the description box of this video. Tip on how to stand a chance. Tip on how to accelerate your job application and stand out of the crowd. Please use an Europass CV. I will not ignore this. Use an Europass CV. It is very crucial. Using an Europass CV, honestly, allows the country, the employer, to know you are putting effort to apply rightly. So use an Europass CV. Cover letter, it may be needed, but it's mostly not necessary. So if you need a CV, you need a cover letter, you can contact me via the email displayed on the screen. And lastly, always highlight your skill on your cover letter. So let's say you are a nurse, you're a carer, you are an IT professional, highlight it on your cover letter. So when the recruiter sees this, they will know precisely what skill you you hold, what experiences you hold. So guys, this is actually a simplified method of getting a job in Scotland and how to apply rightly. I wish you all the best. And if you have any question, only leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to reply to as many as I can. If you need further guidance, you can book a consultation with me. My consultation promises to be very exciting, educative, and very, very intentional. I'm very intentional with my consultation and those people who book a consultation with me, as I basically hold their hands and make sure they achieve that which they seek. So if you want a consultation with me, also use the email display on the screen or use link in the description box. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel if you haven't subscribed, and watch this video next for much more job opportunity in Finland.